This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by heating water to a rolling boil while you mix the marinade. Combine 1/2 cup soy, 1/4 cup mirin, and 2 tablespoons sugar so flavors dissolve. While that simmers briefly, lower for room temperature large eggs into boiling water for exactly 6 minutes for jammy yolks. Once done, transfer eggs immediately to an ice bath to stop cooking and make peeling simple. Make sure to time precisely, because texture depends on that 6-minute window. You now peel the cooled eggs carefully under running water to remove membrane without gouging whites. This ensures neat halves. Next, slice each egg lengthwise so the custardy yolk is exposed and the surface area can absorb flavor. Place halves yolk side up in a shallow container or zip bag and pour the cooled marinade over them. Make sure all exposed areas touch the liquid. Once sealed, refrigerate for anywhere between 4 and 12 hours, depending on how intense you want the soy-sweet balance. You finish by removing marinated eggs, patting them dry, and placing them gently on your ramen just before serving so they warm but don't overcook. If the soy color is too strong, rinse briefly and blot. If too mild, marinate longer next time. Make sure to eat within 3 days for best texture and safety. Troubleshooting. When yolks are too runny, increase initial boil by 30 to 60 seconds. When whites are rubbery, reduce boil by 30 seconds and use room temperature eggs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.